This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Filmora and loading your footage. Import the clip and drag it to the timeline. Once done, select the clip so the controls appear. This is crucial because adjustments apply to the selected clip only. Make sure playback head is where you want changes to begin, then click the color or video panel. These panels give you precise brightness controls. You're initiating the process now, not prepping endlessly. So take that first action. Select and open color controls. Now you adjust core parameters. Increase exposure to brighten or decrease it to darken. Small increments matter because large jumps clip highlights or crush shadows. Once exposure is balanced, move to contrast to preserve midtone detail. Higher contrast sharpens differences, lower softens them. Use moderation. Then refine with highlights and shadows to recover blown areas or open up dark ones. You're shaping luminance and detail deliberately. So preview playback and nudge controls. Finish with precision. Open curves to lift or lower specific tonal ranges. Pull midtones slightly up for overall brightness without losing highlights. Once satisfied, consider a subtle LUT or preset to match scenes. Use 1/4 strength or reduce opacity if it feels strong. Make sure to preview on different displays, then export using recommended codec and bitrate to retain dynamic range. Troubleshooting tip. If colors shift after export, check color profile and gamma settings. Convert to a standard profile or render with a different codec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.